So we've covered running the drop from the tap all the way to the customer premise, down to the ground block, and then bonding to make sure that we have equal potential between electrical and your CATV line. The last thing I would like to introduce you to today is MSI's series of screwless baseboard clips. These come in a wide variety. They can be used for twisted pair or coax to attach to either above the kickboard or below the toe molding inside the home. They're available for Cat 3, Cat 5, RG6, and RG6 Quad in 3 colors: white, neutral, and black.